And it's time to make some salad.
What? Is he making this sound?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wow. He's not just making the salad, he's
I
creating
grow
this.
weary of all the gardening rules we have to follow.
Yes?
Maybe that's why I grow so many things without soil.
What? Without soil? Is that even possible?
I'm gonna try to grow a salad with 5 different plants in the same tote.
No. Impossible. It's never been done before. The mad lad. The madman. What is that? Is that this thing that goes in
Of course, that has
walls?
its own set of challenges.
What is that?
Different nutrient requirements, different maturation dates.
Of course.
Picking up 6 rockwools with one hand.
One hand? This is already better than the Batwoman trailer. No.
Bamboo skewer doesn't follow the rules either.
Oh my
It just
god.
keeps picking up the seeds and setting them down.
Someone stop this man! Stop him! It is.
On a side note, this tap water has a pH of...
Is he using G
check,
Fuel?
and an EC
That would
of
be the craziest.
not worried about it.
Not worried. Unbelievable. Oh god. Ah! Whoa! No! My god! Unbelievable.
These plants look pretty happy so far, though.
My god.
I usually try to wait till after adding nutrients to thin out plants,
No.
but these radishes were impatient.
No. Radish! Some must pay the price. Understandable. No. The slaughtering. B15 nutrients. Love a ton. So there's my WhatsApp. I need to mute it.
Would you believe me if I told you I haven't been mixing my dry ingredients thoroughly?
Not thoroughly. My god.
I did another video on the pest issues I encountered.
A pest issue.
I'll try not to ruin the ending for you.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh, God. He just killed that salad. He just murdered it. Right in
don't
front of
be
his family.
jealous, Danish cookie tin. It's just a disposable loaf pan.
My God.
I knew this radish would mature before everything else. And I put the
Fucking
carrots in
radish,
the
'cause
middle because
someone
they
put a
like to grow
stop.
tall. We just have to see how that works out.
Vegan's nightmare watching this video. Like, what? I don't eat planks. I eat air. I photosynthesize. Hey, I said a difficult word.
Have you heard the prophecy that was foretold?
Yeah.
The gardener that grows the plants in the stone shall be king.
Damn. Now that's the radish. The music is so great. Holy shit. Oh, wow.
Something has taken root in my radish's roots. Seems harmless. Maybe it's beneficial. Is it Jeboriza?
Is it gibberish? Oh.
Oh, lettuce. You fell before your time.
Sad.
Maybe a different fungus took you. The other lettuce looks fine.
F's in the chat for the lettuce, guys. Someone stop the radish!
This other lettuce got a little reachy in the end, but it wasn't bitter. Is it possible to have too much cilantro? Like I suspected, the carrots just didn't have enough time to get to a decent size.
So is that
All the
thing
fungus
just to
floating
hold it in
around in the
place?
water.
Like when the seeds are planted?
Even I'm not going to eat the roots out of that.
That looks so nasty. Roots are so fucking gross. I've been clearing out my garden and just like all the stuff you find in the soil, I'm like, oh,
Your gardening safety tip for the day: don't eat rock wool.
Okay.
Radishes this large tend to be spicy,
Really?
but most of the heat's in the skin.
What is that his sauce? I mean, it doesn't look bad.
So what gardening rules do you like to break?